man behind Titanic Roman II, is controversial. Titanic Roman II will set sail in 2022. Titanic Roman II will set sail in 2022. A rival replica is in the works in China, but it's a stationary attraction. Construction of the ship was delayed for several years due to a financial dispute. The project was announced in 2012, the 100th anniversary of the original ship's voyage. Restaurants and amenities will be replicated. A promotional video suggests employees might wear period costumes. The ship will follow the same route as the original liner for part of the year. This time, the ship will have plenty of lifeboats. The Blue Star Line replaces the White Star Line of the original Titanic. The second Titanic has a few anti-iceberg upgrades.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.